ይህንን ብቻ ያዙልኝ ጋይስ። attention is a currency ስል I do have many reasons why attention is a currency. attention ለምንድን ነው ከረንሲ የሆነው? የሰዎች attentionን መያዝ በራሱ why it's a currency. not only a currency, it's more than a currency. ከሌሎች ከረንሲዎች ከብርም ከዩኤስዲም በላይ ነው attention. now if you are watching me, I'm buying your attention. ይህንን ቪዲዮ እየተከታተላችሁ እያያችሁ ያሉ not only mine, የሌሎችንም ሰዎች ቪዲዮዎች እያያችሁ ከሆነ maybe it can be on YouTube ሊሆን ይችላል, it can be TikTok, Facebook, Instagram and ሌሎችንም ሶሻል ሚዲያ ላይ ሁናችሁ አሁን right now at this moment if you are watching somebody's content, you are giving your attention, you are selling your attention for free. You got me? For free. Attention is a currency. Attention is a currency. Still, I do have reasons. Why attention is a currency? When we are giving, we are selling your attention for free for somebody, for a content creator. ለኮንተንት ክሬተሩ አቴንሽናችሁን for free ስትሸጡት, these content creators are making money and they got visibility. እይታ ያገኛሉ, branded ይሆናሉ. And it gives them a chance, opportunity to sell themselves more and more. እነሱ ሸርሸጡ ማለት ነው በሌላ አባባል. They are becoming a company and they are selling themselves as a share. እንደ ሸር ራሳቸውን እየሸጡ ነው ለእያንዳንዱ ሰው ሲሸጡ it's for free. ኮንሱመሩ ኮንተንቱን ኮንሱም የሚያደርገው ወይም let us say at this moment it is you are buying that share for free ማለት ነው። ምንም ሸር ድርጅቱ ላይ ኦውን የምታደርጉት ነገር ሳይኖር ሸር ባዶ ወረቀት ይዛችሁ ትሄዳላችሁ እንደማለት ነው። but for that company, ለዛኛው ካምፓኒ ግን it has a huge advantage. So my point is, when you are watching a video, someone's video or someone's content, photo ሊሆን ይችላል, it can be a video and it can be a picture or it can be written text message. When you are consuming that, you are consuming it for the benefit of somebody else. አንደኛ ጊዜያችሁ, ኤፈርታችሁ, ታይማችሁን physically, mentally, socially, you are becoming abused. ስለዚህ why you do this now? Make sure your attention is your great currency. If you are selling your attention for free, you are selling your life for free. That's the point.